Right, everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. And to all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return this video is smash that like button to let me know you watch this video and to stay tuned on in towards the second half of the video, guys. Right after this chart analysis, I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys, as well as the opportunities that I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if that's something that interests you and you want to become part of, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. I managed to find today a home run opportunity that gave us at its highest point of possibility 20% plus. So stay tuned for that. And it was one of the top traded stocks of the day until MRIN just recently passed it towards the end of the day after it spiked up a little bit. So stay tuned. So Sndl stock. This is actually sitting in a nice sideways movement after that run, but in a very subtle downward trend, right? But it's still up above the lows way down here. So this is kind of just sideways for now. If it forms some type of consolidation, it will be in a channel. So that is something to be aware of, and that can show some strength from those lows of where things started to run, from the 80-cent range all the way up to $1 and some change. And it's been falling downwards, fighting its way back up in tug-of-war zone. And now it's kind of in bearish territory, but trying to build some momentum back to the upside. So this stock right now is currently sitting in bearish territory. The 50-day moving average is 97 cents. That needs to be broken through by the bulls and turn into a support to reach newer highs. And the lowest point reached in the day was 93.99. So I would just round that up to 94 cents to have a full number. If 94 cents gets broken through, this could be on its way down to newer lows, new support levels, and getting deeper into bearish territory. And the first resistance level before the 50-day moving average that the bulls want to break through is 95.52. That is just an indicator of momentum. It does not signify or guarantee that the bulls are going to break through the 50-day moving average or get back into bullish territory. It's just a stepping stone, and if they can pull away from it, they can reach one step closer to their goal, which is the 50-day moving average. Once the 50-day moving average is crossed, the true resistance level, which is the highest point of the pre-market, it was touched twice, is up here at 99 cents. That's what needs to be broken through by the bulls to reach newer highs, new resistance levels, and continue to pull further away from the 50-day moving average in an upward direction. If you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post. Share this with a friend so they can receive the insight as well. And all I ask for is 3 to 5 more minutes of your time. I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys, as well as the opportunities I mentioned this morning. And if that's something that interests you and you want to become part of, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord. Stay tuned. The ticker symbol I have to share with you guys today is one that I've talked about since it was at $3 in the pre-market session of the stocks that I mention every single morning over at the Discord. And today it's well above $12 and some change, 4xing since I first mentioned it. But before we look at that chart and what ticker symbol that is, I want to share with you guys the opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if that's something that interests you and you want to become part of, you're more than welcome to join us. I managed to find a home run opportunity giving us 20% plus at its highest point of possibility. And if that's something you want to become part of, the link is down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you will become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So CNSP gave us a nice 10% jump twice on the day, okay? It gave us 5 to 10% at its highest peaks. And XELA, this was our home run of the day, and VERB gave us small jumps of 3 to 5%. So let's go ahead and look at XELA's opportunity here of possibilities that it gave us. So I mentioned it early on in the pre-market, close to 215. It was kind of sitting sideways, and towards the bell, it started to pick up steam. And from that point forward, it jumped up from 220 all the way to a highest point of 257, guys. This was phenomenal within just 15 minutes of the opening bell and a little bit of the pre-market, and in just 30 minutes, a 20% plus opportunity. If this is something that interests you and you want to become part of, you're more than welcome to join us, and we look forward to having you join us over at the Discord. So what's the ticker symbol you want to add to your watch list? Well, it's MRIN. This is a stock I've been talking about since the 24th in the pre-market, sitting at around 301 as it was pulling back to 288, and from that point forward, it shot up to 347, giving us that day a home run opportunity. And here's the proof of when I talked about it. It was 8:49 a.m., June 24th of 2021. There was other stocks I mentioned, and this was one of the stocks, MRIN. I talked about what was going on with it, integrating into Instacart ads, and it was sitting at 301. And from that point forward, it has shot up and it has not stopped. Today, it had a decent dip here from way up here at $10 and some change at the aftermarket hours. The pre-market was sideways, dipped after the bell, hitting $8 and some change. And a lot of investors were onto this one. They've been watching this one throughout every single jump. And I've even mentioned it in the mornings in some of these dates as it continues. I don't like to recycle stocks. As you could see, I picked 3 other stocks I was watching. We still managed to find a home run with XELA. That doesn't always happen, but my goal is to always find new stocks to trade and new opportunities daily. But MRIN has been one that is unavoidable because it's such a monster of volatility. I mean, pull back to these lows here of $8 and some change and has shot up to $13 plus. This gave another home run plus 20% opportunity. That is phenomenal. But this is definitely a stock to have on your watch list moving forward, because there could be a short squeeze forming, or it already has, or through this consolidation or further weakness going into tomorrow, buying dip opportunities can present themselves. The question is, are you going to hold this for a long-term trade? Are you going to scalp it, swing trade it? It's all about what you see in the charts and what you understand. But definitely a stock to have on your watch list if you don't have it already. Has been a monster with volatility and very interesting since the moment we first started talking about it back on June 24th. This is not financial advice. I'm not here to tell you guys to buy, sell, or hold any positions of the stocks I mentioned. I'm just here to enlighten you guys on why I'm watching them. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.